Species suitable for farming? You can explore local resources or seek advice from experienced bird enthusiasts in your area. They might be familiar with this regional name and help you identify the bird species in question. If raising geese doesn't quite fit your interests, don't worry. Poultry farming offers a broader range of possibilities. Consider chickens, which are the most popular poultry birds, raised for both meat and eggs. Ducks are another option, prized for their flavorful meat and duck eggs. Turkeys, primarily known for Thanksgiving, are also raised for their delicious meat. And let's not forget about quail, a smaller poultry bird that is adored for its tasty meat and eggs. To assist you further on your poultry farming journey, there are valuable resources available online. The American Poultry Association